Hello viewers, and welcome to Complete Attire, where we teach you how you can grow in your fashion business. Before we start, please like and subscribe the channel. Okay, so today we will discuss how to become a fashion designer. Becoming a fashion designer requires some basic skills, talent, and above all, creativity. If you have them all and still you are not where you want to be, then I have a solution for you. But first, let's see what are the key ingredients that will make you a fashion designer. First, you need to learn drawing. Draw your ideas on paper and turn that paper into a real outfit. Second, utilize your creativity. Creating unique and stylish outfits will not only make people like it, but also increase your popularity. Third, attach yourself with a platform. Working alone and waiting for customers to come and buy stuff is a bad idea. Attach yourself to a good platform that can sell your designs for you. This way, you don't need to start a business from scratch. Just list your designs and see the orders coming. If you clear step 1 and 2, then for step 3, I have a perfect platform for you. Join Complete Attire as a fashion designer and take your small business to next level. See the link in description and start your fashion business today.